In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import cookies to Google Chrome. By the end, you will know how to use a simple extension to import a JSON cookie file so a site can recognize your preferences or sign you in without manual entry. First, we will get a helper tool from the Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store, and search for J2 Cookies. When you see the extension, select it. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by choosing Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a moment. This extension gives you a clean, straightforward way to bring cookies into the browser without digging through developer tools. Next, open the specific website where you want to import the cookies. This matters because cookies are tied to a domain. Having the site loaded helps the extension apply the data to the correct place, so your login status or preferences can take effect immediately. Now look to the top right of Chrome and click the small puzzle icon, which is the Extensions button. From the list that appears, choose J2 Cookies to open it. This brings up the Extensions menu, where you'll find the controls for importing. Inside the extension, locate the Import option. Click it, and you'll be prompted to upload your JSON cookie file. Make sure you already have a valid JSON file ready on your computer. This file is just a structured list of cookies' names, values, and related settings formatted in JSON. Only import cookies you trust and keep that file stored securely, since it may grant access to an account on the target site. Select your JSON file, confirm the import, and let the extension process it. Many times you'll see a confirmation or status message inside the extension. If here is an Apply or Submit button, click it to finalize the changes. Once that's done, return to the Website tab and refresh the page. A quick reload ensures the site reads the newly imported cookies right away. If the cookies contain a valid session, you should be logged in automatically or you'll notice your saved preferences applied. If you don't see the expected result, double-check that you are on the exact site or subdomain the cookies belong to, and confirm that the JSON file is correct and up to date. Sometimes a second refresh helps the site pick up changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.